Hey chef, what's on the menu today? Well, what's on the menu is we're going to make hot dog rice. That's right. And how is that made? Stay tuned. Okay, so you want to take some oil, put it on the bottom, turn it on to high stove. Okay, hit pause. Okay, so we would take a hot dog, one hot dog for half a cup, two hot dogs for a cup. And let that cook, like so. I could actually put another hot dog in there. Yeah, let me do that. I'll put another hot dog. Okay, so it's funny, when I went to get the kosher hot dogs from the warehouse, they didn't have that many like they used to. I got another package. So you want to, like, I know the hot dogs are pre-cooked already, but you want to kind of cook them a little bit before you want to add the rice to it. Okay, so we're going to also, we have some scallion. We're going to add scallion. We're going to add the scallion, we're going to put the rice on top in the water, then we add the scallion. Or you could add onion, you know, whatever it is that you want. See? There you go. So you want to make slices, like I don't know, like Vienna minis or whatever you want to call it. You can put you know, well, we're using hot dog. I mean, there's other things to try. But sometimes I used to make dirty rice. The dirty rice, you make that with ground beef. You have to cook the ground beef first. Alright, now we're going to add the rice. I'm using a half a cup of rice. But if you're going to cook for, you know, a larger group of people, 2 people, 1 cup. So, you know, that's how. So 4 cups. All my water is filtered here, so I pre-filtered and put it in the refrigerator to be cold. Next month I have to change the 6-month filter. But anyway. Alright, so we're going to use some scallion. Put those bad pieces there. Oh, well, you know the scallion, we call it green onion. That's how I was raised. These are pretty huge. Use the leaves, everything, except for the roots. 1 will do. Well, for this one, 1 is enough. It depends what you're cooking and how much are you making. And you can be the judge. Okay, now that's in there. Can put some salt. You can also put some garlic. Let me see if I have any garlic here. Fresh garlic. Garlic gives it a unique taste and flavor. Okay. That. Let's slice this up. Oh, this is real garlic clove. I just removed the skin. No sense bringing that here, make more of a mess. Put some hot sauce in there. Just spiral in. Another one. It depends how hot you want it. Peppercorn pepper. You gotta put this in there or the other kind of ground peppers. I'm going to turn it to low, and that's about it for that. And that'll take about 20 minutes. Well, you know, like I showed you the tilt test. When you tilt it, oops, so it don't leak. I just finished making a 1.5 liter, or almost 2 quarts of soft ice cream. Gonna cook this for my birthday tomorrow. Yep. Gonna make a cake. Gonna show you how to make the cake as well. Oil cookies. So that's about it. What we got here. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and then we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, it's ready. See? There you go. Doesn't that look pretty? That's nice, huh? You got the scallions, green onions, whatever you want to call them, and then you got this hot sauce, and you got the hot dogs. It looks almost like sausage, huh? Okay. Alright, let's get it prepared. Okay, so I got leafy green spinach. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna take the rest of this . Oh, wait for this winter to come. I can introduce you to my 15-hour soup. And I said, 15 hours? Yeah, that's all I'm going to tell you. Don't worry, I agree. I have a lot of recipes. And I'll share it with you. No big deal. some greens on top. Could put with this you could actually put a little mayo, you know, make it balance out a little bit. Yeah, I'll show you. Okay, just finishing up the last. So it'll look like this. You can eat it with chopsticks. Oh yeah, I know how to eat chopsticks. This is if you like it really hot. With the garlic and the green onion and the seasoning, you got one good little meal here. Better than any place else out in the street. It's always better to have fresh. Hey, thanks again for watching. Bye for now. See you next time.